All right, a quick update, a quick new look at BONK here. So we got a whole new chart. I wanted to get a better understanding of what is going on with the price of BONK here. So almost the same thing from all the other times we look at it on the videos and the live streams. But we had this channel we were trading in here. You can clearly see we did break down below it. But here on the much better chart, you can see we're sitting on double support right now on BONK. The 2414 and the low here in this channel here to the high, you can see the 786 final support here at 139. So if we hold here, we should get a bounce back up. Just keep in mind that even if we bounce up, we could come right back up to the 2618 and the point 0.5 area here, get stuck at that previous channel bottom for a rejection, and then come right back down. So I just want you guys to be aware of that, that could take place now that we did end up breaking to the downside from this large channel here. So we have a lot of coins that are on these final support levels here. You can clearly see this is an area of support in here. So if we go lower than this, we do have, if we go from the ultimate low to the high, all the way down here at the 2 would be your macro 382 to stay bullish here. So we've seen this on a lot of different coins. If we take out this double support at about 13.9, then we do of course have the 2272 and the bottom here, so about a 23-24% drop down to about a 35% drop. But you do run the risk of dropping all the way down here, which you can see, which we've been covering on a lot of different coins. Like I said, a lot of 40 to 50 to 60% drops are lingering right now if we do not get some sort of relief bounce back to the upside on a lot of coins. So you can see that's about a 54% drop down to this 5067 level. And like I said, that is the macro low to the high 382 level to stay macro bullish, and then we'll go up. But I mean, if we get a bounce here and we break back through the point 0.5 at 238 here, so be it. Back into the channel we go, and then onwards and upwards on BONK here. So do your research on BONK. Of course, BONK is going to be a big player this cycle in 2025. They're doing a bunch of burns and all kinds of things. So like I said, go check out what they have going on. Down almost 18% on the week. And I would just caution that now that we did break the bottom of the channel here, and we did make a lower low, not the greatest look at the moment, so we'll see what happens. But I can clearly, or not clearly, but I can really see this happening. We've seen this a lot, to where we get stuck and then we'll fall down to these lower levels. We don't have to go all the way down to this 382 level. We could hold up here at the 1-1 area and then get a bounce back to the upside at some point. But if you're bullish on BONK, as I am, you take these opportunities of the breakdowns and these lower prices to add to your position, because when this thing finally does run, it's going to run really hard. But the only target we have right now, we've had several targets on the other charts, but this new chart here, going from where we are today on that double support, if we're going to hit the top of the fib, the 4236 at 3040, you can see that is almost a 28x from today, where we are in price on BONK. And it may go higher than that. We'll see what happens. But yeah, we're bullish on BONK. Comment down below. What are your thoughts on BONK? None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.